Want to escape your 9 to 5 but still you feel like you're running in circles? Here is what you might be missing. Most of the advice out there is about quick fixes to make money outside your 9 to 5. You will see this a lot in social media. How I make 100K in 30 days. And that's great. It's great to make money. But let's get real. It's not just about the cash. It's about true alignment with yourself. Stop searching for external solutions. Start by looking within. What fires you up? What's your purpose? Because that's where freedom begins. That's where your freedom begins. Actually, you can make tons of money, but still not free, because freedom comes from doing what you really want, not from what you need. Don't get boxed in what worked for someone else. A coach can help you discover your unique path and craft a roadmap that resonates with your values on how you want to live and make money. Or what online business to pursue that's aligned to your passions. You are not lost. You are not lost. You just haven't tapped into your passion and purpose yet. Comment freedom below or DM us, and let's craft your roadmap to a life you deeply love, filled with purpose and freedom. Because true freedom starts with self-awareness and taking action aligned to what you truly want.